What responsibility do you believe you have in building trust on taking this vaccine? We've seen, there's plenty of reason in the history of this country, particularly in communities of color, to be a little nervous about the government telling you to take something. So that's going to be the next challenge. And so is this burden on you, on the city, or is this burden, do you think, on the federal government?
I think it's really on all of us, but obviously being on the front lines, we have a primary responsibility. And I'm well aware of, unfortunately, the sad history of experimentation on African Americans and people of color, which is a legacy that we're still dealing with now, and it's manifesting itself, I think, in a reluctance on the part of some to think about the vaccine. So we are immediately taking a number of steps. One, we've got a local panel of experts who are going to validate the process by which the vaccines have come onto the marketplace. I think that's going to be critically important. We need to make sure that we've got healthcare violators, and particularly the frontline workers, not just the doctors and the nurses, but the LPNs, the people that are actually involved in direct patient care. When they're comfortable and they speak their truth to people in the community, that's going to be incredibly important. We've got a huge grassroots movement going to make sure that we educate people about the vaccine and they can see for themselves why it's safe. But it is a massive lift, both from an infrastructure and distribution standpoint, but also building credibility around the vaccine itself. Certainly the current president hasn't helped at all. And I think that has added the public skepticism about the vaccine. But it's important that leaders at all levels, at the grassroots level, at the elected official level, are stepping up and saying this is absolutely necessary to help us return to something of a normal life. So we've got to get as many people vaccinated as possible.
Hello, YouTubers. If you're watching this, it means you've checked out our channel, so thank you. Now do me a favor, subscribe by clicking on that button down there. Click on any of the videos to watch the latest interviews and highlights from MTP Daily and MSNBC. You can get more Meet the Press content every morning in the First Read newsletter. If you're tired of content that you don't know anything about where it came from, you don't have to have that problem with us. NBC News, MSNBC, MTP, and the Meet the Press mindset right here for you on YouTube. Subscribe now.